What keeps Naperville business owners up at night isn't just the fear of downtime. It's the real risk that a frozen server or a surprise audit could derail critical operations. Imagine a logistics company's inventory system freezing during a peak shipment window, or a healthcare provider scrambling to meet compliance after an EHR update. In these moments, it's clear. Its support needs to anticipate crunch times and help you stay ready when the stakes are high. The real value of IT is in giving your team time back, keeping data audit ready, and helping you outpace competitors. That's why 67% of organizations now prefer result-driven partnerships. Naperville businesses want measurable outcomes, not empty tech promises. As Adam Radulovich, CEO at XL.net, puts it, your IT partner should know your industry's pain points by heart and feel invested in your business. Security is a top concern, with 41% of state education agencies flagging cybersecurity as their biggest tech headache. Cloud integration, proactive planning, and high-quality partnerships are now non-negotiable. Certifications in security, cloud, and networking matter more than ever, matching Naperville's needs for compliance and efficiency. Outsourcing IT isn't just about cutting costs. With 57% of businesses choosing to outsource, they gain time for business development and fewer late-night emergencies. The right IT partner audits your tech, checks in regularly, upskills your team, manages vendors, and plans for growth. If you're ready to move past IT headaches and unlock real business value, read the full article on our website and add us to your playlist.